I see your face in every sunrise. The colors of the morning are inside your eyes. The world awakens in the light of the day. I look up to the sky and say, you're beautiful. Power in the moonlit night, where planets are in motion and galaxies are bright. We are amazed in the light of the stars. It's all proclaiming who you are. You're beautiful. I see you there hanging on a tree. You bled and then you died and then you rose again for me. Now you are sitting on your heavenly throne. Soon we will be coming home. You're beautiful. I see you there. When we arrive at eternity's shore, where death is just a memory and tears are no more, we'll enter in as the wedding bells ring. Your bride will come together and we'll sing. You're beautiful. I see your face, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful. I see your face, you're beautiful, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. face. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
Millions of stars in the sky, the universe beams with its endless display. Millions of galaxies bright, suns, planets, and moons like our own Milky Way. Millions of creatures below, the creation explodes with its species and kind. Millions of types in the sea, the earth and the air, great abundance to find. In all of creation there's more. One reason, one power, one source. There's only one Father, there's only one Son, there's only one Spirit by which we are one, only one. There's only one. There's only one truth, only one way. There's only one life we should lead every day, only one. There's only one. Father, hear what we pray. Father, show us the way. Bring us together with power to save. Lead us and guide us today.